Hey queens, welcome to my channel. If you love organizing and decor, you're in the right spot. So today we're going to focus on the most neglected spot in a home, underneath the bathroom sink. Even though this is the most neglected spot in a home, I believe that it is the most essential space in a home. So you're going to see me start with this base, which is from Amazon. It's a 2-tier rack. I will leave all of the items in the description below so that way you can check it out. This rack is perfect because it's going to allow us to use all of the real estate underneath the sink to add more space. This rack can fit under most sinks because I actually have this same rack underneath my kitchen space as well. It's adjustable. It even stretched longer than this. So you could just play with it, whatever fits for you. So let's get started to the fun stuff.
We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all I crave, so I wonder.
Okay, let's get into this Lazy Susan. It's perfect. I decided to put some of my hair products on this Lazy Susan just so it can be easy for me to access, like my everyday product, or not necessarily everyday, but things that I want to be able to find and get to. Hair products are normally the hardest to organize because we have so much of it. I try not to hoard products, so my rule of thumb is if I don't use it within, say for instance, 2 to 3 months, then I donate it. Like, honestly, sis, like, you're never going to use it. So I think it's just like being honest with yourself and just keeping minimal amount of hair product that you're going to actually use is better.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You see, I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. Done for me, like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done.
Alright, queens, here's the finished product. First of all, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to go over some of the items. So we have our shampoo here, the conditioner here, we have our soap. Remember, this lets out so that way I can just grab the soap and go. And then I have my female products there, and then I have my cotton pads for my face, some travel size lotions that I just threw in here. And let's just get into this Lazy Susan. So y'all know how I felt about this Lazy Susan, and it just turned out so perfectly. Like, I can literally just grab my grease my scalp, I can grab my oil, get to it. Everything looks so perfect and it's there, and I don't have to search for it. This Lazy Susan was definitely a hit in this space. So let's get into the bottom real estate here. That I did not want to leave this empty because this is space that I can use. As you can see earlier in the video, I put my alcohol and also peroxide in that box, which I had received the box from a packaging from Amazon, and I just recycled it and used it over again. And then I have some of my oral hygiene products also down here, like my water floss and things like that. So I'm going to actually put a candle here because I was just trying to test and see how it would look, because I have a lot of candles and I'm looking for a spot for it. And then I decided I don't know about that, so I ended up changing it back. Over here I have my boyfriend Lazy Susan, which is simple for him. He can just get it and go. Some washcloths. I also have my facial products here, and then just some hand towels at the bottom here. I absolutely love how everything turned out. As you can see, it's very appealing to the eye. It's very, like, when you look at it, you don't want to mess it up. So that's how I organize. Like, I get it to the point where I don't want to mess it up, so it can be easy for me to keep it this way. So just pick a aesthetic, pick a color that you want to focus on, and do it. Thank you so much for watching, ladies. I really enjoy doing this for you, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.